If you have shoulder pain, simple movements like reaching overhead, putting on a jacket, or lifting something from a shelf can suddenly become really painful. Many people assume that the best thing to do if you have shoulder pain is to rest the shoulder completely. This is rarely the correct approach. Shoulders need movement, and you don't want to develop a frozen shoulder. In many cases, the right exercises can actually help reduce pain and improve shoulder function. So today, I'm going to show you 3 simple exercises that may help improve shoulder mobility and reduce irritation and inflammation in the shoulder. Hello, I'm Dr. Grant Cooper. I'm the co-founder and the co-director of Princeton Spine Joint Center in Princeton, New Jersey. We specialize in our office in treating spine and joint conditions without surgery whenever possible. Shoulder pain is one of the most common problems that we see in our office, and exercises that improve mobility and improve strength will often help support the shoulder joint and help the shoulder get better. Let's get to the 3 key exercises to get your shoulder feeling better. So the first exercise is called the pendulum exercise. This is a gentle movement that helps the shoulder move without placing too much strain on it. It's actually a really good exercise, and here's how to do it. You're going to lean forward slightly and support yourself with one hand on a table or a chair. Let the painful arm hang down, and then gently move the arm in small circles. The movement should be slow and relaxed. Try doing this for about 30 seconds to a minute, letting the circles get slowly bigger and bigger if it feels comfortable. This exercise is great at helping to promote gentle motion in the shoulder joint. Okay, exercise number 2. The second exercise is called a wall walk. Stand facing a wall about an arm's length away. Place your fingers on the wall and then slowly walk your fingers upward as high as you comfortably can. When you get to the highest point, pause for a moment and then slowly walk the fingers back down and repeat this movement about 10 times. This simple exercise helps gradually improve shoulder range of motion, which should also improve stiffness and pain. Okay, exercise number 3 is called the shoulder blade squeeze. The shoulder blade squeeze exercise focuses on the muscles that stabilize the shoulder blade. The importance of these muscles for shoulder pain and health cannot be overstated. Okay, let's get started with the exercise. You're going to want to stand or sit with good posture and gently squeeze your shoulder blades together as if you're trying to hold a pencil between your shoulder blades. Hold this position for about 5 seconds and then relax. That's it. It's simple but effective, and it's important to have good form. Try performing about 10 repetitions of this exercise. The shoulder blade squeeze exercise is great at helping to strengthen the muscles that support optimal shoulder movement and improve overall shoulder health. One important rule is that these exercises should not cause sharp pain. You may feel mild stretching or muscle activation, but if the shoulder pain increases significantly, it's best to stop and modify the exercise. So to recap, 3 exercises that may help shoulder pain are going to include the pendulum exercise, the wall walk, and shoulder blade squeezes. These movements help improve mobility and strengthen the muscles that support the shoulder joint. Most shoulder problems can improve over time with the right combination of treatment and exercise. And gentle movement and strengthening, the importance of these things cannot be overstated, and they often help the shoulder to function better and get out of pain faster. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We regularly post videos about shoulder pain, back pain, joint and nerve health, as well as the latest non-surgical treatments. As always, I wish you all the very best of health. Thank you so much for watching.